Okay, we're working on our end table to go with our coffee table now. So we're going to start by drawing a 1 foot, 2 inch line across and draw that up 1 feet 2 inches and make a box. Then we're going to push pull that flip surface, push pull 1 feet 2 inches. Then we're going to orbit in 2 inch line, 2 inch line, and connect them and push pull downwards. Then we're going to make a 2 inch line here and connect. Same as our end tables, but only smaller. 2 inch line, 2 inch line, connect. I mean our coffee table, I'm sorry, because we're making end tables now. Push pull and 2 inch and connect. Two-inch line, 2 inch line, connect. Two-inch and connect. 2 inch, 2 inch, connect. They look pretty easy, but it takes somebody to know what they're doing to get it done. 2 inch, 2 inch. Okay, now we're going to zoom in and make a 1/2 inch line and draw it across. 1/4 line, draw it across. 1/2 inch, draw it across. 1/4, draw it across. On each of the bigger surfaces, say this side surface, that side surface, and that side surface, we're going to complete the same steps. So that's 1/2 inch line, draw it across. 1/4 line, draw it across. 1/2 inch line, draw it across, and a 1/4 line, draw it across. Okay, now we're going to connect our top lines with the side leg lines. And we're going to hide this top section. Then we're going to start at our midpoint and draw a line back to this midpoint on here and midpoint here, and we're going to connect over here on this leg here. Then we're going to draw a line down from midpoint. On each side. And we're going to delete these surfaces here and draw a 1/2 inch line there and a line and draw it back 1/2 inch. And up top we're going to zoom in and make a 1/2 inch line as well and connect that with the bottom line. Draw a straight line, draw it back 1/2 inch and delete the back portion of it. And then from this point, draw a 1/2 inch line in and over to the top of this part, and draw from midpoint, draw a 1/2 inch line and delete this line here. That's after you done made it on both sides, because that we already did it on that side. Then you want to connect this point here and complete on these other two sides. Okay, now we got our legs all drawn on each side. Now we're going to use the curve and start at midpoint to this first end to this midpoint, and second end point to second end point and second midpoint. Then we're going to delete this first line and the third line, but not the curve part. And delete the lines. And then reverse face, push pull inward 1/2 inch. Same over here, curved midpoint, end point, and then midpoint. End point, and then midpoint. Delete the first line and the second line and other lines other than the curve. Okay, now we're going to push pull this surface 1/2 inch and complete on the other legs. Okay, now we got all our legs drawn on all the way around. We're going to unhide our top layer and draw this line across and connect the edges. And then delete the outside line. And we're going to push pull this surface down 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch. And then we're going to draw our bottom section window on first by connecting with the bottom line area. Then we're going to draw our top surface on by connecting it with the other layer. But first we need to delete this line here and paint translucence, and then we can draw back on. Paint that translucence once you delete your line. Okay. Now we're going to zoom in and draw these lines to connect around all the leg areas. Okay, finish the rest of. Finish drawing the leg around our other leg area. We're going to delete this surfaces we don't need from around our table. The lines. Okay, make sure you keep saving your work. Over to the bottom and delete this bottom section and that second section. And delete till you see the bottom of your glass table. Okay, then we're gonna zoom in and make at midpoint with a 1/4 line, draw a line down. Midpoint on each side, draw the line down. Okay, now that we did that, we draw lines all the way around. We're gonna zoom in and make a 1/4 line on each side of this line. Delete the middle line and delete the outside areas. And we're going to complete the same steps all the way around. 1/4, draw the line down, 1/4, draw the line down, delete the middle line. And if we're done with that, we're pretty much done with our end tables. Select all and group or paint before you do. Okay, this is what our glass table is going to look like once we get through painting it. So what you do is you hide this top layer like that and paint these edges on the inside, then unhide, and make sure you paint all the insides of the legs the same color as you paint on the outside, and it don't look too bad. Select all. That's what you do to your your coffee table as well. Make group and center. And that's it for the coffee table and end tables tutorials. Kinda do look modern though.